Hello and welcome to my stream. So this is what we'll be working on. I kind of starting liking the exercises. I like that uh, they give you something to work and you feel like this achievement once you do. Although it is quite a bit difficult, you know. Here it's easy, but it's kind of not easy, you know. All right. So the output should be. Mm, output numbers. Wait, let me first put this. I do this. Numbers. Mm-hmm. And then numbers 1. And then why do we get issues? Ah, because I need to do like this and like that. So 3, 2, 4. 3 plus 2 is 4. Okay. Let's just do 5. So we just are sure that this word should have 0 and 1. Yeah. Okay, so I was getting the problem on the 3 to 3 on the target 6 because I did this bit and then how do you submit that? Yeah, and this is the first time I am using yeah the Leetcode, so I'm just 1 second. I'm trying to get to my channel to see if everything is streaming good. Okay, I think it does. Alright, good. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But that if anybody is watching my stream at the moment, so it's good. So the reason this is happening is simple. The way I run this is I have an output variable here, and then an array of 2 because we want to output those 2. I could even have like a for each and do this, but it does not even matter, you know, at this point. It's not gonna make any more difference. Plus, we can do this with a single line. So at first, the first variable is set to output, which is the 3. Although we start, actually, this is gonna start from 0, and it's gonna be 0 plus 3. And then check the 3 is equal to the target, which is the 6. Is not. Nums is our array. So basically, we're adding this number here, here. Okay. So it's not gonna equal. So it's gonna we're gonna assign to the output the number 3. Then it's gonna go to the 2. It's gonna go 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And the 5 is not equal to the target, so it's gonna go again here. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and then is not checking anything at this point because it is finished. And I think it's like that. Now we're gonna get the 0 0. Yeah, for some reason 0 0. So why? The first array is it because nothing is assigned to it? Let's put a breakpoint here. Okay. Okay, now it is here 0 and 0. But why like this? Numbers is null. Then you're gonna go there. When getting 0 and 0. Let's run this again with 11. Numbers is 0. Then it goes. Okay, so the F11 goes step by step, I guess. 406 length. There, they start with a 0. Is here is output 3. Like I said, is equal to target 6. No. So it goes here. And what is equal to 3. Because it gets the current. Right, so the I is what? I 0. So the first element is a 3. 3. So what does it do again? 3 on the next one. 3 plus 2. Okay. What a second. This is output 3. Oh my days. I mean, yeah, it goes first you assign this, then you add it with this, so it checks 2 element. Okay, so first goes 3, and then adds the 3 here, and then goes 5 plus equals this, but then it exits. Yeah, it's fine. So it only assigns when we do find the target. If the target is 0 0, then target is not found. That's why is 0. Okay, anyways, yesterday I thought about this. Is one if statement we need to check. Now let's see if I can remember it. For fuck's sake, I should have done it. Else if this condition, yeah. So if was it the output? Yeah, is greater than the target. then I want to do something. Because you know what I was thinking. So let's say that you had 5 plus 2, okay, and we had 7, okay. Actually, let me do straight ahead. 5 plus 7 is 2, and now the target was 6, okay. 5 plus 2 is 7, and we want 6. And let's say this was 1, okay. This is what we're going for now. I'm gonna come back to this, but because it's also, you will need to get this, for example, and this. So let's say we wanted 6, we will go for this. If we wanted 7, we will go for this, okay. And the thing is, if it's run like 3 times, like you go 5 plus 2, okay, 7. Let's say you wanted 8. Mm. The thing is also like I want to see how it would work, like when you have a, okay, let's get some help from ChatGPT, but without a solution. Mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. So only when two numbers is equal to the solution. I see. So yeah, that actually was my idea. But let's say we wanted a 6. That's what we're gonna try to do here. By the way, sorry if you guys look for something more advanced, but one of the reasons I'm live streaming is because I want to be consistent on my learning progress, and even in future, if I get better, I want to have this and say, look, I was like this and I became better. I achieved something, Maybe I won't achieve it. Maybe I will. But maybe you are also like in a situation where you are the same like me. It's good to see how people going to find a solution into a problem. Like, sure, okay, I use ChatGPT, so I'm using it in a way that it still helps me to learn. Like I, a lot of times, like my English is not my first language, so there are like things I don't understand, you know. But I do like to find a solution on my own. Like, so just because, for example, I ask this, does it mean it helps me solve my problem? Did it give me any code? No. At the moment, no. So anyway, let's focus. Okay. So what happens? So the output is 5 plus 2 is 7. I'm going to output is greater. And I still need to find a way to do this, you know, like have here this and some text, you know, nice snippet. Oh, it's okay. Just want to get on. Okay, 5 plus 2, no, 7. So we can run this. No, it's gonna work. Sorry. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So, okay, what did I want to check? If let's say output was than greater or equal, no, greater. So let's say we have 5 plus 2 is 7 and we want it 6. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. 7 is greater, 8 is greater. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. Perfect. So the first time 5 plus 2 is 7. So if, and I also want to check will it run here? No, else. I don't think it's we're gonna do. No, it's not. It's exiting perfect. If you're on the background, feel free to try to do this, you know? Okay, we are here. So here we have 6, 5 plus 1, 6. So I want to skip, so if it, so 5 plus 2, nums I, this is nums I, 5, 1 to this. So the first is 5, and check the value goes here. Second times goes again here, 5 plus 2, and then we can do output minus is equals nums I. Let's see now, is it gonna work? 1 and 2. I don't like this. 5 is greater, and then is, is greater. 5 is greater? Five is greater. How is 5 is greater than 6? 5 minus 2. 6. Wait. How did it even went to 6? 5 is greater, and then exits, and then 5 plus 1, 6. Ah, okay. Yeah, let's put them to the greater. But, and then it looks. Maybe I need to log. Okay, see. Then it goes here, and the I is 1. Mm, okay. Okay, so what happens? Like, mm, do we really want like 5? Maybe we could add on the first element the output at this point, and the numbers output this. Maybe I need to make another if statement here, like if the output at this point is equal, but then what the heck am I doing? I don't understand it, you know what I mean? Mm, why is so difficult sometimes to see it from the code, you know, like let me use my mouse. It is crazy, but it is amazing. The condition is what I want to happen. So if I have 5 plus 2 is 7, now time it is 6. So output be what? The last element, num-style, I want to reduce it. Output minus equals nums I. Okay. So troveremo in pedirio ena είμαστε εδώ. So at the moment I am using my textbook to think about how I'm going to solve this. You can have a look here on what I'm trying to solve. Feel free to do it on the background, feel free to leave any comments. This is C sharp, I think it's mentioned on the title. So at this moment we 5 plus 2 is 7. And then we subtracting that number and still becomes 5. The thing is I have this here. The problem is after like I do 5 plus 1, but I add the I minus 1, which gives me, so output is 1 plus 2, so the I is 1. Okay, 1 second, let me put it here, and let's go with it. It didn't even do that, okay. I have to go step by step. What? See the press F11, that's crazy, man. I is 2 minus 1. Yeah, because 0, 1, 2 minus 1. I feel like inside here we need to do another check. Because this is 2. Because before, let's say if I do 5 plus 2, and then it's 7, we can do the first. It's gonna be 2 minus 1. It's gonna add the 1. Sometimes I wonder why my brain doesn't work, you know? Sometimes. And when I written already the code, it's too difficult for me to think something else. Mm, is the output equals the target? So if we are on 6, okay, what numbers give? This is like what I feel here, like the numbers output here. If I do this, it should store here the output. Like that's what I feel like. So I should do something like this. This. So in here it's gonna be 1. 6. 5 plus 2 is 7, and then we subtract the 2. Oh man, in the past I used to be so good in the for loops and everything, and now I'm like stuck on like pretty simple things, man. The older you get, the harder the brain works. Literally, I'm not joking about it. And it's not even something difficult to do. Mm, mm, or what if? Okay, let's do one by one. Okay, and then we see how it goes. Whatever gives, and it's not a question of thinking too much about it, you know. So at this moment, I want to. We are here 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is greater than the target. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to skip this number. So 0, 1. So the num is not gonna be the list. Nums I 0, 2 is not going on the list. Number 2 is on the interesting. Maybe I can 1 indexed and then maybe I need to remove literally instead of subtracting it. I could just like remove it from the list. So uh, where the nums is, nums here remove, right? I cannot do remove. Nums I remove nums I is equal to 0 maybe. And maybe here I could have this bit and say like if it is not equal to 0, the I, but I also need to add it on the I don't like this. So because it can still be 0 there, it's not gonna be skipped. That's the thing. I feel like I need somehow to skip that fucking thing. Break my balls. So even I, this is so wrong here. Literally, I feel like this shouldn't even be there. The way I add it here is disturbing me so much. Just it makes me forget everything. This bit here is the problem for me. Okay, so I don't know. I don't even look at it. So 5 plus 2. Let's talk about it. 5 plus 2 is 7. It's going to come here. We are going to subtract this one, but we still want to check this one. But we still also want to get the index of this number. What is the index of this number? Index is index of. Remember, an array has index of an array. Index array index. Okay, that's what I wanted. Array index. Array index of. What the fuck? It didn't make my life easier. The fuck. Array index of from the number 1. Yeah. So if it's 5 after, then so this is gonna get me the index, which is gonna be the 5, and then number index. So from this output, 0 gonna be index this bit, right? And then in the next bit, which gonna check 5, this bit I want to check now. which is also this. So and the next bit 5 plus 1 is gonna go here. It's gonna be yes. It is 6. So the index of this one, which is gonna be equal to the last one, is gonna be in this one, numbers I, nums I. Now let's see this. Gonna be 0, this next, and this one. For this bit, I think it's gonna work. Let's see. 5 is greater, and I'm sure I have a breakpoint, right? Yeah, that's why it stops there. 0 and 1. 0 and 1, no. What gives the 1? The moment you think you did something, the moment, so the numbers I index is 0, and the 1 is okay, breakpoint here, break my bolts. Why is the 1? I is 2. Milen ένα 2. Milen ένα 2. Ah, that's why. Because I don't need this, I need this there. 0 and 2, okay. So now let's say I want 7. Let's start. Let's see. Is it gonna show 0 and 1? Nope. Minus 1 and 1. So but the I was the last, the correct one, so there, like 5 plus 2 is 7, so 0 and 1 for 1, and then give me this because it stopped there. Did it one here, okay. Starts 5. 5 is equal to 7, no. If 5 is greater, no. So the 5 is here, then 5 plus 2 is equal the target, yes. Then I want this now. I can have another if statement here. Maybe. I want the 0 though, and here we'll have to do this bit. statement. So 5. How do I get the 5? No. 0 is 0 index. Maybe I need to double check like the output, which was as the output is gonna be 7. 7 is equal to 7. Okay, let me have you there so you have an idea. Don't mind this code, it's just submitted. I can't remember, I forget very fast, like the way the thing is running. So star 5, we have the 5 equals to the target, which is a 7, no. Is the 5 greater, no. So the 5 starts from here. From here we could add the, this could be passed straight ahead. If once in terms of mathematical, what's the level on it? Is 5 equal, no, 5, fuck's sake. I feel like I have to do something with the nouns. The nouns is what? Okay, let's hide this and check. Nouns I is 2. 0, 1, 2, yeah, because it went over there. Maybe I can do something there. Here, index of this number. I feel it coming like that. Okay, index is 0. One second, before I even do anything, I need to check if the 6 is working. Like this. 0 and 2, okay, this works. And then index about good, right? Index is this. So the index of the output 0. No, it's not gonna be 0. Five larger. 5 is not equal to 10. It's greater no. I know. 5, 5, 0, but 5. And then the next one is Xinato Leetcode Exercises. Output is then 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7, which is 2. And then Fibonacci carrot index. If index, no, it is gonna be 5 plus the index. Okay, get it, get it. If index, but the index is what? It's gonna be 5, right? No, it's gonna be 0. So I need to get if nums index plus nums I, right? So 5 plus 1 is equal to target dot then nums index, which is the 5, is going to be added here. Let's see. Still don't do it. So it's not true. It's not gonna round it. Num index is 5 and num index is 2. So our target is 7 and target is get, let's clarify that, is 7. And number outputs are really bad. What? Espera, espera. So number index is 5. Wait. Maybe I need the index, not the number. In there is 0, 1, 0, and the 0, 1. But wait, here we are setting the I, the Y. here no, I need to add the 0 here. Index is 0. Mm, the index is 0 because 0, okay, and then I is with 0 and 1, okay. What are on a value first one? Oh, let me check. It does work. It does work. Okay. So the first instance, you want to add which one has the 5. Announce index has 5, but the index is what I want. I want index. I want 1 and I want I. So like this. No, it's not working like this. You're kidding me. Why? Index is 0 and 1. 5 and index is 1. Minus 1. 0 is minus 1. Why? Now the index is 5 plus 2 is let's just write the 0 literally. I want to see. No, it's not even gonna do it. So the number 0, what is called? So apparently it's getting called somewhere. Or maybe here should be, does it call it over here? Does it run? 7 is greater. 5 plus 2 is greater. 5. Wait, so we start 5, 0, then we put the 5, goes here, then we check 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 is equal to target, yes. So it runs here and runs here. That's why this is a collision. Oh la la. Interesting. So apparently this code is run and that's why we cannot set the zero here for some reason. Uh, so let's see what output is here. Is 8. Why does it even go there? 5 plus 2 is 7. Maybe it goes past 8 in the third time. So maybe when we hit here, okay, break is it? I see. Break 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Yes, but this is gonna go with the index. Okay, and now let's try to do the 5 plus 6. 0 plus 2. Now let's try to do 3 to 3. 2, 3, and the goal is 6. 0, 0. Okay, at least we're getting somewhere. You see how it works, like slowly, slowly. Now let's see. So we are 3. First time is 0. And then I check here. Wait, the first time goes check here is what? I want to check this. The first time that goes there. It goes here. Output is 3. So the first time, literally the first time, is 3. 0 plus 1, 3. Okay, so the 3 is not the target. Now is 3 plus 2 is 5. Is 5 equal to 6? No. Is 5 equal to 10? No. Kind of see something. Output is equal to 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. The index is what here? Is 1. Nope, nope, nope. And then here it terminates. Yeah. interesting. Oh. Interesting. Okay, let me check if Call of Duty is ready so I can play some. We take some break maybe. If it's not working, then we are continuing. We have nothing else to do after. Is it working? Is it working? Yep, it worked. Let's go. And that's it for now. We